Tick the correct option. Which of these processes is not involved in nutrition? And the correct answer is excretion. The teeth which helps in cutting the food we eat are incisor. The chemicals that helps to digest the foods are called enzymes. The correct answer is enzymes. A bag-like structure in amoeba in which food is stored, vacuole. The teeth responsible for tearing of food during the ingestion is incisor. Second, fill in the blanks. Dash gets their food from plants, and the correct answer is herbivores. Second, saliva is secreted by. Correct answer is salivary glands. Salivary glands. And the third is the partially digest food in ruminants is called cud. C-U-D, cud. During dash, large in piece of the foods are broken into the during digestion. Correct answer is digestion. During digestion, large piece of foods are broken into simpler one. Fifth are dash are the front teeth used for biting, incisor, and the correct answer is incisor. Absorption of water from the undigested food take place in the large intestine, and the correct answer is large intestine. Dash molar teeth are present in human adults 12. Correct answer. And the finger-like projection which is present on the inner wall of the small intestine, and the correct answer is villi. Match the following. Mouth, and the correct answer is saliva. Second, stomach, hydrochloric acid. Liver, bile. Pancreas, pancreatic juice. And last one, small intestine, absorption of food. And the next one is true false. Holozoic nutrition involves 5 steps. True. First answer is true. Second, the process of taking of food is called assimilation. False. Amoeba throw out its undigested food through food vacuole. True. The removal of feces through anus is called excretion. False. Food is mostly digested in stomach. True. Write one word for the following. The digestive system from esophagus to anus is called alimentary canal. Second, the fleshy muscular organ that helps in speaking, and the correct answer is tongue. The large sac-like structure between small intestine and large intestine in a ruminant, and the correct answer is rumen. R-U-M-E-N. The white part of the tooth containing the calcium salt enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. Enamel. The act of getting and eating food. Ingestion. Define the following. First is ingestion. Ingestion means the process of taking in food into body of animals from external environment. Second, alimentary canal. The digestive system from esophagus to anus is called alimentary canal. Digestive gland. Some glands which take part in digestion or helps in digestion are called digestive glands. For example, liver, pancreas, salivary glands, etc. Ruminants. Some animals chew food quickly and store it into rumen. When the animals are not eating the cud means the partially digested food, return to the mouth and is chewed. So these type of animals are called ruminant. For example, cow, buffalo and grass eating animals. And what is the difference between the absorption and assimilation? Absorption means taking in of soluble nutrients by the body cell, and assimilation means utilization of absorbed nutrients by the body cells. And the second question is, draw a label diagram of the alimentary canal. And the answer is this picture: mouth, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine and anus.